Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be sketching this. On the top plane, you draw a rectangle. So you go to the center rectangle and you draw that and you set the dimension. So that's going to be 118. Then the width is going to be 44. Then we're going to extrude this. That's going to be 16 millimeters. Then now we're going to move on to the tabs at the back. So the two tabs at the back. So I'm going to sketch that. So I'm going to dimension that. So the width of that is going to be 12 millimeters. And the length is going to be 48 millimeters. Then we do the same for the other side as well. So the other side is going to have going to get the dimensions, going to have a width of 12 millimeters and it's going to have a length of 48. Then now we're going to extrude this. So we're going to pull it up. And this is where the calculation comes in, is that it's on the drawing, it shows 40. So we're going to do 40 plus the radius of that tab, which is 24. Then we're going to subtract the base of the parts, so that's 16, and that's how we get the height. So I'm just explaining that to you. So it's 48, so 48 is the diameter, then you get the radius, which is 24, then you subtract the base. So now we're going to add the fillet to it, and this fillet is going to be 48 divided by 2, which is going to be 24. So that's going to be 24, then that gives us a perfect round surface over there. Then now we're going to move on to sketching the hole. So we're going to sketch a circle on this surface. So we're going to go to circle, then center diameter circle. Then in the center point over there, we're going to draw a circle with a diameter of 20 millimeters. Then now we are going to cut this through the whole part, and that'll give us our cutout over there. Then we're now moving on to the front part of the part. So on the front part of the part, we're going to have a circular profile over there, and the circular profile is going to be 44 divided by 2, which is 22. Then we move on to the slot. So there's a slot at the top part of it. So we're going to add the slot in there. The slot is going to be a center to center slot. So I'm going to select a center to center slot here. There are different types of slots, but I'm going to use center to center. I get the midpoint or the center point of the circle and I draw a line. And I also get the diameter over there. So on the drawing, the distance between the center to center is 24 millimeters. So we're going to do that, and the diameter of the slot is 16 millimeters. So we're going to dimension that. Then now we're going to cut the hole for the slot. So I'm going to go to the extrude there, click on this, then drag it. You can also, in the extent type, you can type in to object and it will stop it at the end of the object, and that's it. And that's the whole part. That's how you model this part in Fusion 360. And also I like having a fillet on my part when I'm done. So I would highlight this whole thing, then go to the fillet over there and add a fillet of 0.5 millimeters just to make it look nice. And that's all for the video. Thank you. If you like the video, feel free to subscribe, and see you in the next video.